Unknown Why is it every time I start recording an unknown signal drops? What is up, YouTube? A9 here, and welcome back to another episode of Engineering Survival. In the last episode, we worked on the rail line some more, and also I did a stream in which we worked on a welder ship design. This is not that ship design, as the welder ship that we made during the stream didn't work out very well. There were a number of things wrong with it. I was trying to overcomplicate it, and the two scripts I had planned on using both didn't function well with the Digi's Realistic Thrusters mod. I just think it's just the way scripts work in general in Space Engineers. Just it made it kind of like finicky where it wasn't working quite well. So I came up with a far less complicated design, though we're going to run into the issue now of the welder has to be in the exact center of the ship, otherwise I can't fly properly when it's got cargo in it. So yeah, our welder is kind of in the middle of the ship, which means you're going to be extra careful while welding. But yeah, so I'm going to get welding and weld this welder ship. And then we will bring it down to the mine, or not the mine, yeah, the mine and the rail line, and we'll start laying down some track, I guess, and yeah. So I'll be back. And like again, another unknown signal the moment I'm about to record. What is it with unknown signals? And the moment I'm about to hit go on recording. Alright, so we're back. The batteries are nearly fully charged. They're charged enough that I'm just gonna say we take the thing and down to the rail line. Thrusters. I turned some of them off before I realized I could just turn off inertial dampeners, and we can fly. So it won't be using power. Okay, right. I forgot to turn off recharge. Those mass blocks. Please just be hidden. Batteries. Other batteries. On auto. So yeah, as you can tell, it actually flies basically perfectly. It does have a little bit of a nose up when I'm flying it, but that's actually due to the drag and lift it creates, not because of it's unbalanced center of mass wise. So I'm gonna load it on the back of the flatbed. Is it too wide for the flatbed? Oh no, I think it's just perfect. Oh god. Forgot that would happen. Alright. Yeah, that should be fine. I'm gonna have to take it very carefully because, again, we're taking another thing that has a very heavy, like, it's kind of top heavy on that trailer. So I should be pretty careful. I do want to fill it with some stuff, though. Ah! And yeah, the reason why there's a connector on the top and on the bottom is so I can do what I'm about to do. I don't know if this will reach, though. I hope this will reach. If not, I'm probably gonna have to move the crane out of the way. Is my mouse still not... Yeah, for some reason my mouse isn't in the right spot when recording. I don't know what is doing that, and I don't know how to fix it. There we go. Now I can put some stuff in it. So... what I want to bring is... enough for one of these, so this might be just easier if I do it this way. And then I still haven't fixed the ramp. I gotta make it so the ramp's timing is a bit different. No, I want this stuff still. I wish there was an easier way of just telling the game what I want. That I want specific stuff to go into different, like, easier way of transferring stuff through the build planner. That would be pretty neat. Alright, so we're off. I've got enough to build 4 pistons, 2 hinges, so I've got basically one spare of each track section, or we can get more track section done than I thought we would. So I'm gonna take the very precarious and careful journey back to the rail line. Just gotta take it slow, because again, this is a roll hazard. I should be okay, but if I'm not, you'll know, because I'll cut back. Alright, so we've made it to the rail line. I've got us parked up a little bit away, and we're gonna get in this guy, if I can reach. There we go. And for right now, I'm just gonna park us. Ooh, okay. So we're a bit heavy. We're sliding a bit. So we've got about an hour of fuel. So not a lot. What is it? It's Control G, right? Yeah. Build mode activated. So what we're gonna need these. These. These are not these guys as well. We shouldn't need these at all. Where are... what are they called? The beam blocks. There are the beam blocks. And then we're gonna need pistons. We're also gonna want, which I didn't bring, which is a mistake. Not conveyor junctions. Oh, right, they're cylinders now. Cylindrical column. And then these guys and these guys. Okay. So actually, I'm gonna grab... here, I will put a few of those in there. I should have in here, yeah, some of these. So let's turn the lights on. Take off. I've never actually built like this before. This will be interesting. Oh, okay, good. I can extend it further away from me. Are we gonna... Can I build off this place? Hello? How does this work? Okay. That's not annoying. How far out does this have to go? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it was 21 blocks. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then 21 had to be this block. Which, how do I know what orientation you're placing in? Oh, I hope this place is the right way. Nope. Yeah, if anyone knows if this is like a bug or something, I mean, I'm sure that's what it is, but like, how to fix it? Because this makes it basically impossible to build. Yeah. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks out from the back. Is when we'll put the next of these in. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this has to go here. Well, it placed in the right spot. That's good. I need like a... You're about to hit the ground indicator. That's what I need. I want this one. 2. Nope, unable to place. How does this work? It, like, I can't rotate the blocks at all? What? Give me one. I'm gonna look up this build mode and see if it's just currently bugged or something. I'll be right back. Alright, so I figured out what was wrong. It's just a bug that happens sometimes. The easiest way to fix it is a reload. Also, while I was investigating that, I did weld up some of these blocks already, but yeah, like you can see, like the battery took a bit of damage. I was overheating, so I just went back to base and I grabbed some parts for some inline radiators. So we're just gonna grab a bunch. I think 8 should be enough, I hope. Because I did put 2 of them on here already, but I guess 2 isn't enough. That, or maybe they just don't like being buried between batteries, and they might need open space. I don't exactly remember. It's been a while since I've used or made anything that actually, you know, overheated. But there we go. So hopefully this should be enough. Let me load up on these materials. And up we go. Whee! Am I... Oh yeah, and then also how I figured it out is the artificial mass blocks that I have as my ballast, they started exploding, so I had to replace those as well. Where's my gyro? No, they're at 100% output. Okay, it's just a little slow then. Ooh, our heat is still going up, actually. That's not very good. Our heat is still climbing. I don't know if it's climbing faster than before or not, but it is. So I will have to keep an eye on that. Control G. No! Don't make me reload again. We will just park down here. We will cool down a bit while I do a reload. I wonder if the reload has to be while you're in a cockpit, maybe. Alright. Don't take off without Control G. There we go. See, now it works. So I guess maybe I just have to do a reload while in the cockpit itself. That might be it. If that's the case, that kind of sucks. Also, Tree, you might be leaving. Like, dying in a second when I bump into you. I wonder if the different build... Ooh, they do... Oh, well... Ah! It's like, I wonder if the different build modes work. They do. Control G. Alright, tree, actually get out of my way. Hello? Now I can't place blocks, are you... Okay. Like, oh my god. Space engineers. Shoot. That was one too high. You know what I think I need on this? Weirdly enough, I think I need a Gatling gun. Because it's going to be the easiest way to destroy a misplaced block. Yeah, I think I might put a Gatling on this. Because I don't really know how else I'm supposed to destroy a misplaced block. Okay, I'm keeping an eye on that heat value. And then... that. And then... where is the power? Let's head over, because I think when we hit around 400 or 500, that's the danger, Will Robertson or whatever the fuck it is. I'm gonna start overheating at that point, I think. You know what we should fix? We should probably fix this thing. That should be a simple fix of just doing this, though. Maybe? Or is it... what is going on with these wheels? 3x3 suspension on these. Freaking out. 3x3 wheels. Alright, which one of these is stuck inside of a block again? None of them are, so, what's holding it sideways? I don't. I'm sorry, but what? What is going on? Don't. I'm... Just stay. Alright, so I have a plan on removing that one block I fucked up on. And the character weapons, there we go. It's a bit stingy, they don't even come preloaded. I should be on the other side, I think. Actually, can I just see it from here? No. Got it. Who needs a grinder ship? Alright, you're no longer melting. No, you're still quite warm. Really? He's... Working, true. Atmospheric density, nearly 1. I don't know how these work. Right. Also, all that should be in the well there. And I also need food. Why am I tipping? Hold on. Something's not right. I should not be tipping. Words. That was the wrong button. What is going on? I said our mass is in the right spot. What the heck? That's got. This is working. Working and working. Firing, firing. Okay, why am I tipping backwards? Okay, now I'm not tipping backwards. And we're back to this nonsense. Ah. Keen. Actually, I don't know if this is a Keen issue or a modded game issue or a 3-year-old save issue. No, not Control Z. Control G. Alright, I'm gonna continue working on this, and I'll be back if anything interesting happens. Actually, I guess this is something interesting about to happen. I'm gonna be doing this thing. So for this, we want... I think we want to do this. So we'll do this. And then go out. 2. Right. No, we're not going to do it that way. We're going to do it this way. Should put that one further back. Yeah, I really should have put that one further back. The odds this will work. I'll pick that up later. So yeah, I think I'll put this further back. In fact, I'll even do it this way. And then this is where the hinge will go. And then on the hinge, we can put, right, it doesn't have power. No, I forgot about that. Well, we'll have to go back to base and grab the components for the for a wind thingy, so we can actually put power on it. What? I got really close. Holy crap. That's why I never use small grid welders, because they're fucking terrible. Yeah, there's no way in hell I am doing this entire bridge with this thing. It'd take forever. It'd be so difficult. Oh god. Alright, can I just get... No, that was the wrong thing. Alright, cool. Whatever, I didn't mean to build that, but I did. Alright, I gotta drive back to base again to get the parts for the frickin' wind tower. You know, you think with the amount of times I've made this trip, I would actually remember which way I need to go, but I really don't. Because I know if I go straight towards the base from here, I'll hit the side of a craggy hill that I can't get up or down. So I've got to take it a wide, do a wide turn, but I don't remember how wide it is, and then there's just a sheer cliff face a little bit further the direction I'm going. And I don't know where it is. You know what I need to do? and I think we might do it next episode, is I think I need to either line the path with GPSs. If I decide on doing that, I'll do that off camera because that's something easy to do. Or what I'm more likely gonna do, because I like the idea of it, is have a bunch of little I'm gonna call them boys because I can't think of a better name for them. That basically have a beacon on them. That its range is just far enough that I can only see it when I get to the next one. So that way I don't have a billion things on my HUD. So I just go from one to one to one, and that way I can go like, this is the safe hill up and down, for example. Anyways, I'll see you when I have the parts. Alright, so I went back to base, came back. God, this thing sucks at turning. I think I gotta use the arrow keys to turn. I've got the materials for the wind tower. It loaded into the welder. It's so nerve-wracking maneuvering this thing. Okay, I remember the bounding box for the wind tower is a lot further away than you think it is. Wait, will it not let me weld it? Come on. I can't weld the wind tower. What? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? I think I have one interior plate left in here. I got a few, okay. No, not this one, no, what? This one, no. What the heck? Alright, hopefully that is close enough that I can weld it. Yes. And we're gonna be at this for a bit. I'm hoping that maybe if I get it to just the first build, like this build state, I can get the welders in there and weld them, but I'm not holding my breath. Wait, did I just put everything in there? I did. Good enough. Alright. I do not need this guy anymore for right now, so we'll just put him over by the truck. Velocity, up we go. I'm also just realizing now that I put this in the wrong spot. This is one block too high. Oh wait, no, it's not. We're good. So I think I want this one to be at like an angle of like 15 or so. Yeah. So if I tell this guy to go down. No, I built it in the wrong spot. Okay, you know what? I can fix this. Shh, don't tell anybody. But they're not gonna be even. Because I screwed up again. Ah, damn it. How's my bottles doing? Okay. Just scoot forward ever so. Look at that transition. That transition is perfect. Alright, I gotta refill my bottles and then I'll do the other side and then we can go out a whole bunch of blocks, weld it to the floor. And I think this will be the height. I kind of need it to be daytime to actually figure out how far away or how much of an angle down I want. But with any luck, it should be daytime soon. I have no idea. I don't know. Is that the gas giant I see? So I think that's the sun reflecting off the gas giant. So actually, it might be night for a little while longer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? I should have grabbed the parts to build those weld plates. Woohoo! Going back a bit fast there. Crap. Oh, that's an unfortunate spot. This is the path in and out of my nickel mine. Well. Look at all this lovely scrap. It's just probably rolled down the hill. This is where it's exploded. Oh, you son of a... I think we're good. So now it's just a matter of finagling it into position. I think that's the best we're gonna do. Oh, I hate doing that. Upper limit. And this feels like it's gonna end in an explosion. It so feels like it's gonna end in an explosion. I really hope this doesn't end in an explosion. No, don't build that. Ah! Okay, that's one of them. Oh, it worked. I need to fly up there before it gets enough wind power to take off to try and lift it again. Oh, I hate doing that. Have I ever mentioned how much I hate doing that? Boom, look at that. Oh, yes! Oh, and even better. It's working! Which means we can build the other side. Yeah, 2 blocks down. 3. And I think I might put... Do I put another one on here, or do I make this one the battery? You know what, just to keep it consistent, I'll put it there. I don't think I'll put a wind power on here. Yet. We'll see. Because honestly, I would actually rather not put any batteries on here and just have the entire thing run by wind. That would make my life easier, because I wouldn't have to lug the battery components around. But we'll see. Nope, and I put that in the wrong spot. Yay. Gotta get the gun out. Oops. Oh, and we're in the red. Yeah, we're in the red zone on power right now, so we're not on power, on heat. And honestly, I think the furthest I might, oh, god damn it, might go is like right there. And then, can I get down there at all? Okay, just slide back a bit so I can get out and around. Because I still want to be able to get in here and not have to worry about running into the bridge. So we'll do this, I think. Come on. Can I get to it? I don't have a bottle on me. That's right. But yeah, this actually looks like, you know, it maybe could support weight a little bit. And how high can I get with this? Can I reach all the way up to the top? Maybe. Was that all the way up? Hey, it was all the way up. Awesome. But I think I'm out of steel plates. Yep, I'm completely out of steel plates. And you know what? The next little bit of work I need to do is just gonna be more of the same. So I think I might end the episode here because we got a lot of work done. And you know what? Oh, it kicked me out of the build menu. I'm like, what? Why did it sound like I just got out of a cockpit? We'll fly over with spectators so you can see what we did, because it's still nighttime. Yeah, look at that. That's what we did. We did that today. It's coming along. And I don't think we'll need to do any more bends until we get past here, I'm gonna guess. Not for a little while. We might do one more bend, I think, maybe like right here. And then that'll be the angle we stick at for a good long while until I build like another projector on here and project the laser line and see where we end up. Because we can always go steeper, but I'd rather go steeper inside the mountain because I feel like it'll be easier. To do that. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Really coming together. Yeah, so that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, so I talked about this during the stream we did last week. But I'll talk about it again here. After I'm done with Dark Souls, would you guys be interested in me streaming a multiplayer Space Engineers series? Similar, like with my brother James. So that would take over the Dark Souls time slot on Fridays. Yeah, we were thinking about I was thinking about maybe doing Agaris or Ares at War, or just some near vanilla survival, just with some NPC mods. So that's kind of the plan. I don't know when it'll happen. It'll be a while. I think we're only about halfway through Dark Souls 2. But yeah. Oh, and also if you guys are interested in Dark Souls, it's generally on Fridays. Our start time between 7 and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Basically join my Discord. I'll put out an announcement when I'm actually streaming there. So, yeah. Have a good one. Bye-bye.